Welcome to the Schedule.so tutorial series. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to embed Schedule.so on your website. Embedding your booking page directly into your site makes it easier for visitors to book without leaving your website. Schedule gives you 3 different embed options, so you can choose the one that best fits your layout and user flow. Let's go through each option step by step. Start by going to Event Types. Find the event you want to embed on your website, then click the Embed icon. This opens the Embed Setup window. Here you'll see 3 ways to add Schedule to your site: Inline Embed, Floating Pop-up button, Pop-up via element click. Each one works a little differently, so let's look at them one by one. Start by selecting Inline Embed. Inline Embed places your booking page directly inside a section of your website. This is useful when you want visitors to see the booking calendar immediately without opening a pop-up or navigating to another page. On the left side, you'll find the window sizing settings. Here you can define the width and height of the embedded booking widget. By default, both values are set to 100%, allowing the booking page to fill the available space inside the container where it is embedded. At the top, you can choose between HTML iframe and React iframe, depending on how your website is built. Schedule automatically generates the required embed code based on your selection. Once you're ready, click Copy and paste the generated code into your website where you want the booking page to appear. When visitors open the page, they will see the full booking experience embedded directly within your website content and can complete their booking without leaving the page. Next, open Floating Pop-up button. This option adds a floating booking button to your website that remains visible while visitors browse the page. When the button is clicked, the booking page opens inside a modal window. On the left side, you'll find the button settings. You can start by configuring the button text. This is the label visitors will see on the floating button. By default, the calendar icon is enabled and appears alongside the button text. If needed, you can turn it off to display only the button text. Next, choose the position of button. This determines where the floating button appears on your website. You can also customize the button color and text color to match your brand and website design. As you make changes, Schedule automatically updates the generated embed code. Once everything looks good, click Copy and add the code to your website. Visitors will see the floating button on your website. Clicking the button opens the booking calendar in a modal window, allowing visitors to book a meeting while staying on the same page. The third option is Pop-up via element click. This is useful when you already have a custom button in your site design and want that button to trigger the booking pop-up. You can copy the code and place it into your page, or connect it to an existing website element, such as a button, link, or other clickable section. Once added, visitors click your chosen website element and the Schedule booking pop-up opens. This is a good option when you want the booking flow to match your existing website design. And that's it. Try the embed type that fits your website best and start booking meetings with Schedule.so.